linggo or ito first 3 days itong trial proper?
Ang general impression ko is really yung impeachment process after after 3 impeachment trials. It looks like yung impeachment process ay talagang clash of two realities, no? On one hand, yung impeachment ay nakikita natin yung tinatawag ng isang very respected UP law professor na judicialization of the process. Ibig sabihin yung talagang pinipilit yung pagiging court of law nito, no, by invoking yung rules of evidence, rules of procedure. That's one side, no, na tumatanggali doon sa isa pang realidad na ito'y political theater din, no? Na bawat isa doon sa mga participants, yung senator judges, yung defense counsel, yung public and private prosecutors, lahat sila ay nagpapalabas sa kanya-kanyang mga audience. No? So, kaya ang nangyayari tuloy, gustong-gusto nilang pahabain yung proseso. Right? Kasi the more the more it is prolonged, the more airtime they get, no? So ang iniisip nila lagi magpalabas, ang nasa isip nila virality, paano magiging viral yung mga comments ko, yung mga quips ko, no? So those are the two clashing realities na nakikita natin right before our eyes.